Good no like game, man. It's your boy Shaq, man. I'm coming at y'all. As y'all see the title, man. I received 100,000 subscriber silver play button, man. Yo, it's like I'm lost for words looking at it, man. It's because I know I'm going to get another one of these. It's like I already know out the gate I'm going to get another one very soon, which is the gold million subscriber play button, man. This just the beginning right here, man. But this one, actually, this the most important one to me. Like the million one, it's important. But like once you get to a million, you pretty much already living a pretty good life from YouTube if you got a million subs. This right here requires hard work. The 100,000 subscriber play button, this one requires hard work, man. Cause this one is the one that puts you through the most. Like bro, looking at this play button, man, all the stuff I went through just to try to get this, man, it will never be forgotten by me. For all my day one subs, y'all know some of the stuff I went through. Y'all know how I literally lost everything that I own. But I didn't stop doing YouTube, man. Like, this video is to basically show y'all the play button and to inspire y'all to follow your dreams, man. Like I told y'all on other reactions, man, I got a college degree, but that ain't what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. Like, when I started this YouTube, like, I just had a passion for making people laugh and just keeping stuff real, man. And I always had a passion for music, so I decided to put all that together into one channel. And like, I've been running with it ever since, man. I started with the Conor McGregor vids, the UFC, the boxing. Then I migrated to the UK, found out about their music. I went hard with the UK. And then I learned so much about their culture, man. I just wanted to keep going. Like, I always knew if I wanted views, if I wanted subs, I knew I could react to American music. Like, but when I found out about the UK music and I saw their talent they had over there, I told myself, like, I'm going to be the first person to actually stick with this UK stuff. So that's what I'm going to do, man. Like, we got a lot of American subs that came in. Like, bro, we got over 100,000 American subs in like 3.5 weeks. It been crazy, man, because we hit 100K and literally like 3 weeks later we about to hit 200K. That's tough. That's tough, man. But man, I just wanted to make this video. I ain't want to get all mushy with y'all. I just want y'all to know that this is not my play button, bro. This is y'all play button. Y'all made this happen, not me. Y'all watch the videos. Y'all leave the likes. Y'all leave the comments. Y'all share the videos. It's not me. I'm just being myself on camera. Like, it's not up to me for y'all to click the sub button. So this is y'all play button, man. This is y'all. I wish I could have put No Life Gang on it. I would have put No Life Gang on it instead of No Life Shaq. But man, when I first opened this, bro, like, I literally thought the 100,000 said 1 million. I guess that's what I wanted to say, and I know it's gonna say that very soon, bro. Like, so I ain't really too much going crazy over this because I know I want so much more, man. But I definitely appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. I worked so hard for this, man. This right here took a lot of energy, a lot of time, a lot of work, man, a lot of focus. And I'm just so happy to have it, man. Like, I'm always gonna have it hung up behind me. Y'all will always see it in a reaction video, no matter where I move my desk to. Like, y'all will always see it in the background. It's always gonna be a reminder, like, to keep going, man. To keep going. Bro, I had everything against me, and I stayed with it, bro. I stayed with it. Y'all, my day one subs, y'all know that, man. Y'all know that. YouTube wrote this little general ass letter saying 1 million subs may seem far away, but we know you can get to it. I don't care about this, man. I don't care about this. I care about what y'all think, man. So y'all drop y'all comments down below. Just saying anything, man. Whether it's positive, negative, man. Like, just leave them down below, man. Like, I'm so happy for this, man. Like, I don't really know what to tell y'all, really. I'm just so happy for it. It's like you could plan everything you want to say for up until when you get this, but when you finally get it, it's like all that go out the window. You just say how you feel, man. And I just decided to give y'all how I felt, like study like a planned speech. I just wanted to keep it real for y'all, man. Like I didn't want to be like all these other YouTubers giving like a speech they planned for months. Like I just wanted to give y'all me and how I felt at the moment, man. But hey, we got a lot more work to do, man. We got 800,000 more subs to go until I'm satisfied, but I'm never comfortable because I want to grow as big as we can get. We gonna go into other genres of music. Like a while back, I said I wasn't gonna never switch from rap, hip hop, but I know to get that million, I gotta react to other artists from other countries, other genres of music. Like, I'm not gonna react to like something I don't enjoy now. Like let's get that straight. I'm not gonna react to something I don't enjoy. But if I'm gonna actually try everything out. If I actually like it, we'll keep it going. If I don't like it, we're gonna throw it out, man. We just gonna grow, man. We just gonna grow. This channel right here is for real music, real bars. Like not none of that mumble stuff, man. Like I never promoted that mumble stuff. Like so, hey, we gonna keep it going, man. Again, I want to tell y'all thank you for this, man. Like, without y'all, I wouldn't have this in my possession. Like, I'm so appreciative for it. We're going to keep growing, man. Let's get it.